the tachs come right out of the box the way they are ready to roll. They've got a pigtail on them that you have to kind of wire into your own existing structure, but it's easy enough. Then you got to find a spot on the hood. There's a lot of diagrams online. It'll tell you exactly where to put that. But it's pretty much got to go in that spot right there. I'm splitting the difference. Okay, here we go. Cut a hole in a perfectly good. Okay, I'll put the hole saw on now. That's my pilot. See how many shavings this makes. I might want to put the exhaust. I want to put the let's see. We're going to want to collect shavings. Okay, let me show that.
And cut.
Okay, just say really smart things.
I know nothing about cars.
Oh my God. Like making a mess. Alright, here we go.
Am I gonna get hurt?
Yeah. My battery's dying. I need new batteries.
I know how to clean.
Now's a good time too to go ahead and finish the underside. Clean it up, vacuum it, paint it up with some rust inhibitor, and then hit it with its underbody color, and then install the insulation and put it back on, hook it up, you're good to go.